Hello, online entrepreneurs. Today we are going to explore an intriguing topic that might be a little bit off your radar, micro moment marketing. And if you're wondering to yourself, what on earth is micro moment marketing? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today we're going to dig into the different stages within your marketing funnel and how you can use micro moments in your online marketing. We're going to decipher what they entail and discover how they can be a real game changer for your business by boosting customer engagement and ultimately driving sales. Hello and welcome to another episode of Digital Marketing Made Simple. I'm your host, Jennie Lyon, and today I'm really excited to jump in to discuss how to leverage the power of micro moments into your winning online marketing strategy. So, as you know, in today's fast paced digital world, consumer behavior has definitely shifted. With the proliferation of mobile devices and our constant connectivity, consumers really demand instant access to information and immediate gratification. And this shift in behavior has given rise to a groundbreaking concept in marketing known as micro moments. So, micro moments are those fleeting instances when consumers turn to their devices to seek information, make decisions, or take immediate action. And these moments are defined by their spontaneity and the pressing needs for immediate answers or solutions. And whether your audience is searching for product reviews, comparing prices, or locating products or services, micro moments have become this vital part of your customer journey. So, for business owners, recognizing and harnessing these micro moments is essential to remaining relevant and captivating the attention of your ideal audience. You can effectively engage with your target audience at the right time and place by identifying these transient opportunities and tailoring your marketing strategies accordingly. So let's dive a little bit deeper into the different stages of your marketing funnel and how you can incorporate micro moments into each of those steps. So let's start with the top of the funnel. That's your awareness stage. So the awareness stage is really that first phase in the buyer's journey. So during this stage, potential customers are just becoming aware of a problem that they have or a need that they're looking to have filled. And these are really the early stages of identifying their pain points and searching for solutions. So in this phase, your business has this unique opportunity to introduce itself and its offerings to these potential customers. And it's really your chance to solve their problem. Even if they don't know your brand, this is really the time where you want to grab them. Your content at this stage should really focus on educating and informing rather than direct selling. The primary goal of the awareness stage is to attract leads and start to nurture them. This stage really aims to make your business and your products or services known to those who are looking for the solutions but have yet or just barely discovered you. The awareness phase is really the foundation of your entire buyer's journey. So if you don't make potential customers aware of your business and all of the offerings that you have available, all of the content, all of your efforts that you put into the later stages, which are the consideration stage and the decision-making stage, those stages are really going to have limited impact. So it's really essential at this starting point to really nail it because it really sets the whole journey into motion. So in the awareness stage, you really have to create content that grabs attention and informs potential customers about your brand and its solutions. So here are some of the most effective micro moment marketing strategies for the very top of your funnel. That's going to look like things like blog posts. You want to write blog posts that address pain points, problems, or topics your target audience is interested in. You want to keep them really concise, though. You don't want these to be really long pillar post type of content pieces. The goal here is to really provide valuable information that's going to help your potential customers understand their issues and how you have possible solutions for them. Videos. So short videos are a super powerful tool in the awareness stage. They really introduce your brand in a more personal and engaging way. And to make them micro moments, you want to keep them short and sweet. I usually recommend under 30 seconds. You really want to think short, educational, inspirational videos. It could even be really quick how-to guides or customer testimonials. Next up is infographics. So infographics are highly effective in the awareness phase because they're really easy to digest and even easier to share. So they need to convey key ideas, statistics, or essential points. And infographics really help when our audience has such short attention spans because it helps them to grasp information really quickly. And social media. So social media can be a goldmine for building brand awareness. The goal here is to create a community that's centered around your brand. So this might require creativity and a unique approach, but you really want to consider some different platforms. You could do TikTok videos, right, on social media. 2 wins there, or YouTube Shorts. You could even do Instagram stories, but you get the idea. You're kind of combining these different tools so that you can really get the most impact for your micro moments. Next up is micro moments in the middle of the funnel, which is the consideration phase. So the consideration stage really comes right after the awareness phase. And at this point, potential customers have definitely identified their problem and they're actively seeking for a solution. So they're comparing approaches and methodology, and they're looking to see how do these different, processes compare to each other. How are they going to address my specific issue or opportunity? So in this stage, your role is really to provide more valuable content that's going to help these prospects evaluate their options. So they might be comparing your solution to the solutions of your competitors. So you want to keep that in mind. And the real goal in the consideration stage is, again, to provide more information. You're going to provide insights that guide your prospects as they weigh those different options. So the consideration stage is really that pivotal moment in the buyer's journey. Prospective buyers have now identified, they have now named their problem. They're dedicated to researching and understanding all of the available solutions that will help them solve this problem. So they're really considering potential solutions at this point. So this is a time when a prospect might ask, what's better? Is it better to hire someone to do my digital marketing, or should I try to DIY my digital marketing? Although they're still prepared to buy, they want to evaluate possible solutions. So your role is to really consider what your competition is doing and make sure you're doing it better, that you're educating your potential customers about the pros and cons. Next up is some ideas on micro moment marketing when you're in the consideration stage. So again, you have to provide valuable content. It's going to guide them as they weigh their options. So some of the most effective micro moment strategies for the consideration phase include webinars. So webinars are great because they will help not only build more awareness, but they definitely help seal the deal when it comes to the consideration phase. Case studies. Case studies are great because it will help them to weigh options. Oh, okay, company A is doing this, company B is doing this. Here's some different case studies to compare. Reviews, of course, product reviews, service reviews, and then you can do different types of comparison charts and white papers. So I do this a lot with clients that have a physical product. We do a lot of comparison charts that will just show this is the difference. It can also work really well for service-based industries. All right, now we start to move into the bottom of the funnel. So this is where our consumers are ready to make a decision. And it's really where the consumer lands in that final choice that they make before purchase. So your goal here is to guide as many people as possible from those early stages to this conversion point. And it's really a critical moment that is going to transform those prospects into paying customers. So you might need to provide a little nudge to help them commit to your solution, but you want to make sure that you're removing any remaining barriers or obstacles to purchase. And really, it can be a great time to offer incentives. So it might be time to offer a free trial or a discount or coupon code or a personalized phone call. That can be highly effective. And it's really essential here to track your conversion rate closely, as it will measure how many consumers ultimately purchase, what will definitely help you to identify what's working in your funnel. So again, the goal with the decision-making process, this is really your last opportunity to make a prospect a customer. So you definitely want to encourage the purchase. So again, it's time to help that prospective customer cross the finish line. Make sure that you remove any type of obstacles at this point. You want to make sure that you're giving them enough information, you're giving them enough options to evaluate so that they can easily make that decision. If there is anything else that your ideal client needs to know at this point, now is the time to tell them. Make sure that it is super easy for them to make that decision. You want it to be as close to a no-brainer as possible. So in the decision-making stage, you really have to provide anything that your customer needs to close the deal. So here's a few micro moment strategies that work really well when your consumers, your ideal client avatar is in the decision-making stage. So again, it's free trials. If you have a product or service that someone can do a free trial of, seal the deal with that. Or a discount or coupon works really, really well. I do this again with most of my product-based businesses. We offer them some sort of a discount or coupon, and almost every time that will seal the deal, as long as those people in the funnel are very nurtured. Another option is personalized demos. That can work really well if you have like a service. And I do free consultations. Those work really well. All right, so micro moments, the power within them is undeniable when crafting a successful marketing strategy. You know, consumers really rely more on their mobile devices for very current information and in making the decision-making process. You know, so recognizing and capitalizing on those fleeting but influential moments is paramount. Businesses can establish deeper connections with their target audience by delivering really personalized content that aligns with the specific micro moments throughout the customer journey. And this approach meets immediate needs and desires, builds brand loyalty, and easily drives conversions. So in this era that is really characterized by dwindling attention spans and fierce competition for consumer attention, embracing the micro moments as part of your holistic marketing strategy, it's no longer optional. It's imperative. By being present during these fleeting moments of intent and delivering relevant content that resonates with your audience, businesses like yours can gain a competitive edge in capturing their attention and really driving meaningful interactions. And by recognizing the power of micro moments and incorporating them into your marketing strategy, you can really create impactful experiences that cater to your customers' immediate needs, but really importantly, fosters that long-term engagement and loyalty. So you want to embrace the potential of micro moments today and stay ahead in this ever-evolving landscape. So that's what I have for you today. Embrace those micro moments. It's time. I mean, with those attention spans getting smaller and smaller, start to incorporate more micro moments within your funnel. I'm telling you, you'll see a huge difference. Give it a go. If you have any questions at all, please reach out. I'm always happy to jump on a call. You can always do so at jennylyon.com/chat with Jennie. But if not, I'll see you next time on another episode of Digital Marketing Made Simple. See you soon.